You know, I may or may not have a tool addiction, but I needed another bandsaw.
And remember this, there is no more important safety rule than to wear these safety glasses.
So I purchased with my own money the Grizzly G0817 14-inch bandsaw. It arrived very well packed, zero shipping damage, which is always great. Acetone to remove all the rust protectant from shipping. First roadblock, I didn't realize you needed an extra box to convert this saw to 220 volt operation. Grizzly doesn't specifically mention this on their website description. It's in the manual, but I didn't read the manual before I bought the saw. I like to use some paper to set my bearing clearances. You can use feeler gauges as well. The manual states 16 thou worth of blade clearance. Verify with your manual. My manual was for machines manufactured since June of 2019. First startup, this thing runs nice and smooth. Wanted to run a few test cuts. This is the blade that came with it. It's not the best blade. It'll get you by, but I really recommend going out and getting some nicer blades right off the bat. My overall impressions of the saw, this thing is very nice. It's built very well, and for the cost you would expect that. Needing to buy the separate 220 box, I was not very happy about, but that was my own mistake for not checking the manual before I ordered the saw. I completely understand why they did it the way they did, having a 2 horsepower saw be wired for 110. 220 is a lot less accessible in most people's shops, and this is built as a top tier 14-inch bandsaw offering. The market they're targeting is for people with a single bandsaw in their shop. I already have a 19-inch Grizzly, and I wanted a 14-inch to keep loaded up with a 1/8 or 3/16 inch blade for curved cuts, and my big saw is for resawing. So for me, 220 would have made a lot more sense. And honestly, I would have probably went with the 17-inch bandsaw if I realized I would have needed to buy that box. Overall, it's a nice saw, and I think I'm going to get a ton of use out of it.